Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you the practical way of disassembling Fisher scrubber valve. Fisher scrubber valve. This is a practical losing or disassembly of this valve. And if you are so interested and you want to learn something, then you have to be patient to watch this video to the end. This video is made for mind-dead people that want to learn, people that really need to understand the practical aspect of how you can lose this valve. This video is made for you. If you are working in the flow station, this video is made for you. If you are into anything that concerns oil and gas sector or feed, this video is for you. Are you a student that are about to go into the course of instrumentation and engineering practice? This video is for you as well. So what I'm trying to tell you now is that you have to wait until this video give you the real practical you need to see, and that is where we are going to right now. The practical aspect is where we are going to right now. You must be patient when watching this video so you can get the exact tactics or way of losing this Fisher scrubber. Let's go. The first thing you do is to lose out the lock nut. What they are losing there now is called lock nut. The lock nut is the one that grips the actuator and the valve together, you understand? So first thing, you lose out the lock nut in order for you to pull out the actuator from the valve itself, you understand? Valve itself. So as you can see, the actuator is being loose from the body, which is the valve itself. What you are seeing now is the actuator together with the piston. You can see that is piston. So the first thing for you is remove the tension screw. The tension screw. This is the tension screw. You remove it so you can lessen the pressure that is in the actuator. You understand? So now the actuator is being loose. We are losing the actuator right now. So just be watching how the actuator is going to be loose and how this Fisher scrubber is going to be disassembled to the edge. Just watch carefully, don't be in a hurry, just skip this video, because if you do, you won't understand anything that happened here. So this is just the practical aspect of it. It's very vital if you know what you are doing. So just boy, you see, now the top actuator cover has been loose. This is the spring as we remove from inside. This type of Fisher scrubber is called the air to close Fisher scrubber. So the next thing for you to do is how you are going to pull out the diaphragm from the actuator itself. You understand? So the first thing you do, you lose out the piston, because the piston itself is connected to the stem. You understand? It's connected to the stem, so you have to lose the piston from the stem in order for you to pull out the diaphragm and also the stem from the actuator. So this is how you can disassemble your Fisher scrubber. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share this video. God bless you.